If you have gotten interested in investing in the past year, you may have heard of an app called Webull. In this video, we're going to be going over some of the features of Webull, what it can do, and some of the pros and cons. What's up? I'm Brandon Young. I have taught hundreds of people how to make, save, and invest money through real estate, investing, cryptocurrency. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and don't forget to hit that bell so you don't miss a beat. Now, I have seen since the Robinhood fiasco, a lot of people have started to move over to Webull, or if they did use both apps, they've been using Webull a lot more. So let's go into some of the factors of why Webull is so prevalent. So let's go. First thing we gotta look at is commissions and fees. And while a lot of these financial apps do still charge fees for like options trading, stocks, and stuff, Webull does not charge a commission, so we're good on that part. A lot of these bigger applications, they make you deposit large sums of money before they allow you to get started. With Webull, you do not have to deposit a large sum of money to get started, but if you do deposit $100 or more, you do get 2 free stocks with my link down below. So go ahead and get yourself started with Webull. Get your 2 free stocks. The only exception to this rule is if you want to short stocks, you have to open up a margin account, which does require the minimum of $2,000. But if you're a casual investor, you just want to invest in stocks here and there, you can go ahead and get started with little to no money, or you can get started with 100. One of the biggest questions is, how does Webull make its money? Because you have to look at it from a consumer standpoint. Most of the times people realize, okay, if they aren't charging for commissions, where is this money coming from exactly? Now, Webull makes its money from its margin lending, its interest on cash balances of your account, and the payment of order flow. Payment of order flow is essentially whenever you do a trade, whenever that trade is executed, it gets sent to a third-party person. The third-party person fulfills the trade, and the way that they compensate Webull is by giving them, a partial, probably like pennies on the share amount of money back to Webull. Now, over the course of a day, when a lot of trades are being executed, that amount of money can add up. And this is mainly how most of these brokerages, like these financial apps, make their money nowadays. It's not only Webull. Now, in regards to trading platforms and tools, Webull does offer some of those. Webull does offer web platform charting, as well as they offer a desktop platform overview and a desktop platform which allows you to see charts in higher depth than you would be able to do it on the mobile version, which is awesome. And it does have an additional feature which you do have to pay a small monthly fee to get a part of, to see a lot of the quote data associated with a lot of the stocks. When it comes to research, Webull does fall a bit short when it comes to its counterparts. It doesn't have somewhat of a research tool to do a lot of great analytical research, but it does have what is called its Webull community, where people can post their stocks, comment on them. It's kind of similar to what Twitter is, but just for stocks on Webull. When it comes to the mobile trading aspect of Webull, it does offer a very user-friendly, sleek graphical interface that allows you to interact with the app and see what it has to offer when it comes to buying stocks very easily. The navigation between the app is a breeze, and what I also like is they kind of keep the aspect of the app very similar throughout the mobile, throughout the desktop app. Everything is user friendly and the user experience is really great. What I also like about it is it's gonna kind of be in the middle. So it's for that person who is a new investor, but they want to be a little sophisticated. So it's going to offer you a lot of features, but it's not going to hit your head, bang your head with features where you're going to be confused. It's kind of that middle ground. In regards to its offer, it does allow you the option to buy shares, ETFs, and you can short shares. Mutual funds, futures, bonds, they are unfortunately not supported at this time. Webull does offer the option to get access to to a lot of IPOs, which is awesome, but they do not have any robo-advisors or like any portfolios that you can just calmly put your money in and have them invest it for you. That's probably something that they should do in the future. Now, in regards to its actual education, they're not going to be offering a level of knowledge-based articles that are going to teach you how to use stocks and all this. It's basically very basic, not very extensive, which kind of sucks. Now let's get into the pros and the cons of Webull. Number one is going to be its low cost. So like I said, very commission free. So you can go ahead and trade your shares without having to worry about a commission. Number two is its low barrier for entry. So anybody who is new to investing can get started on the platform. It is very easy to use and the app is very straightforward and user-friendly. 3 is its advanced tools. So the desktop app does offer some advanced tools, as well as the mobile app does offer some advanced tools that you can use. Number 4 is its access to cryptocurrency. So cryptocurrency is becoming very popular and the ability to buy it from your phone is awesome, which makes investing very much fun and more accessible. Now let's get into the cons. The first con that we have is they ain't got no mutual funds. What's going on? I like having the option to have like a mixed basket of stocks and bonds and stuff that I want to put my money into to kind of diversify my portfolio. So the fact that they don't have that is a bit upsetting, but I'm pretty sure that they're in the midst of trying to whip something up to add that to their platform. Number 2 is going to be their thin education support or support system. I mean, with the uproar of all these investors coming in this year, a lot of them are new and may not know what they're doing. So the fact that there isn't a lot of knowledge-based articles or videos that can teach them how to be successful in what they're trying to learn is kind of upsetting. I feel that they're missing out on a big user base in that spectrum. If they can maybe integrate some educational platform, they would probably increase the amount of users exponentially, because there's a lot of people that want to learn investing. So the fact that if people are logging into your app and they can learn it from there, that's only going to make your app a lot better. What are your thoughts on Webull? Do you currently use it, or are you interested in using it? Let me know in the comment section below. If you want to get started with Webull, you can go ahead, get started, deposit $100 and get your 2 free stocks by using my link down in the description down below. I'm Brandon Young. I will see you in my next video. Peace.